Hi, good day. Today we'll be discussing about chords and intervals and chords. Remember, we in the last class were discussing about those exercises. Your one, two, three, four. So coming down the fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get something like this. And then you move. It's called the spider exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will help to build your finger dexterity and basically strengthen your fingers. And remember, we also talked about the 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just going through the different exercises to strengthen your fingers. They are your rudiments. They are your rudiments. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you move. We did that. So today we'll be talking about chords. What are chords? Chords are basically notes that are symmetric to each other, they are stacked against each other, and they are melodious such a way that they complement each other. Like now your major chord, which is your do mi so. Let me play that on the key of G now. Do mi so, 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 do mi so. Remember your major scale on the key of G. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let me take that again. So you got do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is one of the key exercises you have to do in this position, starting with the second finger, third fret. If you are using a 5-string bass, your G is here. 1, 2, 3. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, and then you walk it back. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So now, having done your spider exercises and then done the major scale, make sure you're also doing it with a metronome. So chords, do, like I told you, they are interval. They're actually intervallic in nature, such that your do, a third away from do is your mi. So do, mi, and a fifth away from your do or from your root note is your so. So do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, for you to make a major chord, it's 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, which is 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do, mi, so, G, B, D, G, B, D, So when you want to play that, you hold here, do, and then on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret, 3rd string, you hold your saw, and then you play the mi. That third, you play it as a 10th, because when you do do re mi fa sol la ti do re mi fa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 5, 10. Do, so, mi. So I'm using this for this note, this for this note, and then this for this note. So basically, you've got this chord. Do, so, mi. Because when you play this way, it's very muddy. It's so muddy, very muddy. So then you play it an octave higher. You play it an octave higher. So an exercises that you're gonna do, that you can do to learn your chords, is on the key of G. Now you've got your do, mi, so. You go to the next key, the next note, which is your re. A re is your do is a major chord, your re is a minor chord, your mi is a minor chord, your fa, which is your 4, is a major chord, your so is a major chord, your la is a major chord, your your la is a minor chord, and your t is a half diminished chord. A major chord, the formula is 1, 3, 5. But then for a minor chord is 1, you flat the third, so it will be 1, flat 3, 5, flat 1, 3, 5. Da, 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 da. You see, that's a different quality. So you play that. So 1, flat 3, 5. For major chord, 1, 3, 5. I don't know if that makes sense. 1, 3, 5. For major chord. So this is the exercise. Do, mi, so, re, fa, la, mi, so, ti, fa, la, do, so, ti, re, la, do, mi, ti, re, fa, do, mi, so. So, do, mi, so, re, fa, la, mi, so, ti, fa, la, do, so, ti, re, la, do, mi, ti, re, fa, do, mi, so. And then you walk back. So, mi, do, fa, re, ti, mi, do, la, re, ti, so, do, la, fa. So, mi, do, fa, re, ti, mi, do, la, re, ti, so, do, la, fa. So, mi. So, do, mi, so, re, fa, la. I don't know if you're seeing my fingers. Do, mi, so. Then for the 2, re, fa, la. Make sure you take note of the fingering. Then mi, so, ti. Then for the 4, fa, la, do. Then so, ti, re, la, do, mi, ti, re, fa, do, mi, so. So now let's do it with a metronome. Like I said, I use the Bang Master. I use the Bang Master for my metronome. It's one of the apps that, you know. So I'm just going to cue in. Always make sure you use the metronome to practice. So let's try the African Calypso preset. Let's see that. Okay. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, instead of using always practice with the metronome. So I'm going to use the Scale Junkie app. The Scale Junkie app. That's also one of the metronome apps that makes you practice as if you're in a band. So I don't know if you can see it. This is it right here. The app. So I'm just going to cue in one of the let's say minor scale. Okay, well, let's. So we are going to take out the drum, the music and the scale, and then we're going to leave just the drums. 2, 3, 4. Ooh. So let's go. Again. Again, let me do it again. So let's take it down a notch and reduce the tempo so that we do it slowly with the metronome. So this is at 116 BPM. Let's go. Do, mi, sol, re, fa, la, mi, sol, ti, fa, la, do, sol, ti, re, la, do, ti, re, fa, do, mi, sol, sol, mi, do, fa, re, ti, sol, do, la, fa, ti, sol, mi, la, fa, re, sol, mi. You have to increase it. Let's see. sometimes you mess it up, you bring it down, it's not cheap, you can't do it. So there you go again. So what I did there was I just moved what was here, and then I came here an octave higher. G, 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 G. So I hope that helps, and yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bass lessons, and yeah, see you soon.